Amanyiw'A milioni 1.3 ma kilasi cha thanthatu umuthi nimambiiya Mutiani wa Kpsea ulawi ungu wa mutalatala wa kisomo cha CBC. Kaunti komishena wa Kitui Kipchumba Rutto niwakiithisya kana maundu onthe ni mailumbe wa Amanyiw'A 38 yana 193 Kenya yonthe kwikalila mutiani u ai maikiithisya Amanyiw'A na maendeesye mitiani yo ya muthya kuma isioni ila syithiitwe na uvungulu wa muuo Kitui ta mivakani wa kaunti ya Kitui na Tana River usesei wa kwiana. Rutto anena kiti na wakukosea iseso ya kuvingwa kwa isangio ya kumbanisya mitiani ya muthya nza wa uvisi wake musini wa Kitui. Charity Chambo ena mauvo. Mondene muthenya wa mbere kwa Amanyiw'A grade 6 Kwambiisya Mutiani wa muthya kaunti komishena wa Kitui Kipchumba Rutto ni wamekiithisya Amanyiw'A suva mwena aungame ma mutiani usesei na muno isioni ila syithiitwe sikuusiwa ngusanisyo sya mivaka na kwete uvungulu wa muuo.
Areas which are faced with insecurity, specifically in Chuso sub-county in Greater Mwingi area, all measures have been taken to make sure that exams are done there without any issue. We are on the onset of rains, so helicopters they'll be deployed to far-flung areas affected by floods or any other disaster. But we are equal to the task. We shall cope up with the exercise, and any challenge which will be posed by the maybe disasters or emergency.
Rutto aweta uiti na kutongwesya aungame ma kisomo vamwe na ala maungame mitiani muvungoni wa ikombe ya mitiani isu nza wa uvisi wake musini usu wa Kitui.
I must say also we are not going to condone any malpractice, be it at class 6 or even at KCSE level. Monkey business, irregularities and malpractices. Those who will attempt, and we are warning them, that they'll face the full force of law. And we have the DCI here, we have the ICT officers, they'll be monitoring the exams, education officers, and we shall deal with them appropriately.
Nake ofisa mwenene muvyani wa kisomo kaunti ya Kitui Dr. Khalifa Isaac ni waweta mitalatala yonthe ni kite kwikithya Amanyiw'A onthe ni mavikia na kwika mitiani isu ondo violate.
We have prepared very well. The national briefing was done at the sub-county level. The teams were well trained. The necessary logistics was also done. Enough vehicles were deployed and the security officers. We are distributing the exam from 38 containers. And for Kpsea, we have 34,196 candidates. And for KCSE, we have 26,501, which gives a total of 60,501. The exam will be monitored and coordinated from the county and at the sub-county level. So DCCs are the chairs of that multi-agency team at the sub-county. If there are challenges, they are going to solve them at that level.
Jafeth Kamisa mwene kivila wa Kpsea Kitui na ula evikite sesoni yeuni waweta Amanyiw'A nimeyumbanite kwikalila mitiani isu na ena wekwacho nimeko vikia na kwikanesa.
Nitwamina kosa papers and they won. Ilani isabu, that is mathematics and English, and that exercise has been carried on very well. Twamina nesa na to expect mutiani udhiwe kwa nesa one day one. Itu wishi siana situ kwika mutiani nesa syonzesa Kitui Central Sub-County and the entire county. Kumana na muthenyola tunambiisie setting rehearsal, that is last week Friday. Siana situ ni sethio sina a lot of confidence ya kwika mutiani na tunawekwa tukana siana situ ni kwika mutiani nesa.
Ngilivote ya vilingi wa mauvo ni tawa Charity Chambo.